Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy, where learning meets excellence. We are excited to introduce our PostgreSQL PostSQL training program, designed to help students and professionals master one of the most powerful and advanced database systems used worldwide. In this course, you will learn fundamentals of database management, SQL queries, joins, and functions, data modeling and normalization, advanced PostgreSQL features, real-time project implementation. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your database skills, this program will help you gain hands-on experience and prepare you for real-world data management and analytics roles. Let's start our today's
This
section.
meeting is being recorded.
So yes or no, I hope everybody has installed the PostgreSQL application, right? Is there any doubts? So yesterday I have installed the PostgreSQL. See, this is the PG admin for. Here there is a option open run as administrator, open file location, pin to start, pin to taskbar, uninstall. See, if you want to open the PostgreSQL, you need to open it. See, this is the PostgreSQL server. Here there is a there is a database is there. I have created see, this is the PostgreSQL database. This is an inbuilt database. While we are installing the PostgreSQL, we'll get automatically PostgreSQL database. Okay, and here is the logins. Login users was created, and see, this is the table space. Will create any table space, it will come. And see, under database we have a cache is there, catalogs is there, event triggers, extensions, languages, publications. See, this is the schemas, and here there is a public schema. Automatically we will get. If you want to create any new schema, then you can able to create it. I will show you all how to create the database, how to create the schema, how to create the tables and all. I will show you. First, see, once we'll create the tables, we will get the tables here. So now, first of all, you need to understand, see, what is a PostgreSQL. Uh, Already I explained you yesterday about the PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is a My voice is clear for everybody. Is there any issue? Okay. So yesterday I told you about the what is PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is a open source relational database management system. It uses structured query language to store and query and manipulate the data. Okay, now here there is some concepts is there in the PostgreSQL. First one is the database. After installing the PostgreSQL, what you need to do is you need to create a database for your data storing purpose. See, first of all, database is nothing but it is a collection of related data. PostgreSQL PostgreSQL can have a multiple databases in one server instance. See, in the PostgreSQL, we can able to create a multiple database, like a number of databases. You want 10 or 20 or 30 or whatever it may be, just you can create it and you can create your tables. Okay, each database is independent. Independent in the sense, like there is no relation between two databases or three databases. If we create one database or two databases or three databases, those are the independent only. It won't depend on any database. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to create a database. Here we have a database is there. You want to just click on it. Create is there. Just create. Uh, Training DB. See, while we installing the like admin user was created, that was a Postgres. Okay, already you know, owner is the Postgres only. If you create any other users, then it will show here. If you want to give any other users, just you can give it. Okay, here there is a definition is there, encoding. We no need to select this all. If you want in a client perspective, just you can give it. Now I'm not giving anything. If you want to give any securities, you can add it here, and parameters advanced SQL, whatever it may be, you can give it. You want to edit the name or something, owner, encoding, these all the things. If you want to do it, you can edit it. After all the things, see, I'm going to create a training DB. See, training DB was created. In the training DB, we got all the inbuilt things, that is a cache, catalogs, event records, extensions, languages, publication schemas. These are all the things we have created. After that, if you want to do anything, you need to see here. There is some options is showing. You want to create new schema, just you can select it. And if you want to create any new cache, just create a cache. If you want to create any new database, you can click on this and you can give the database name and you can create it. If you want to create the event trigger, you can able to do the event trigger and extension for generate paper. These are all the things you can do it. And see, in the database, you want to drop it means you can, if you want to remove means you can remove it. And here also same, if you want to drop it, refresh it. If you want any backup is there, you want to restore means you can restore it, and backup it and export it. You can generate a script, disconnect from the database. See, these all the options are inbuilt points. It will come and I will show you one by one clearly after sessions. See, now right away I have created a training database. I need to create some tables or some schemas in this training DB. At that time, what I need to do is just I need to click on this, and there is a query tool is there. Then you can select on query tool. Okay, this is the query tool. If we'll do any operations, DDL or DML or like DCL or TCL, whatever operations we can do in this query tool, it will reflect on training DB only. Like that only you need to select it always. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to show you schema creation. First of all, we need to create a schema. Under the database, there is a schemas is there. There is a public is there. Why schema here required is uh, see a namespace inside a database organize the tables, views, functions, actor. See simply there is a in a software college is we can take it as a software college example. There is a ECE branch, CSE branch, EEE branch, or any other branches is available. At that time, what we need to do is, if you want only ECE related student details, at that time you need to store in a database in a schema. There is a ECE, there is a CSE, there is a EEE, and you can keep the tables. And if you want to view that ECE department or CSE department or EEE department data, at that time we need a schemas required. So first of all, you need to create a schema for that. Public schema is a all like inbuilt schema. We want the new schema now. There is a analytics. Analytics is there. I'm creating ECE. Okay. See, now one schema was created. That is the ECE. If you refresh it, it will come here. See, ECE came. If you want to create any other schema also, see, yes, CSE came. If you want to create, you can create it multiple schemas. There is no issue. How many your client requirement, just you can create it and you can do the DDL or DML commands. See, right now I have created three schemas. One is a triple, one is CSV, one more is a CSV. So what now what I am doing here is I am going to create a table. See, first of all, you need to understand what is a table. Table is nothing but already you know, like a table is nothing but there is a columns is there, there is a under columns there is a rows is there, that is a students data, companies data, or like marks related data, whatever it may be. If you want to store in database means uh, you need to create like this. See, this is the example for the table creation. See, this is the table I am taking here. There is a users table. In the users table, there is the ID column is there, name column is there, email column is there. Okay. See, this is the serial, primary key, text unique view. These are the data types. I will explain you about these data types also now. See, data type is a nothing but while creating the PostgreSQL table, uh, while creating a PostgreSQL table, you need to you need to every time you need to mention a data type. It is very very important in the table creation. Without data type, table can't create. Okay, see, for example, if you want to create in a column, if you want to store any numbers into one column, at that time you need to specify it as an integer. If you want to store any stories or like a string type characters, at that time you need to keep data type as a text or varchar. And if you want to keep any true or false statements at that time, you need to take it as a boolean. You need to store any birthdays, date and times, or months related or years related. At that time you need to take it as a date. And you need to store JS1 format. At that time you need to take it as a JS1. See, these are the very small, small mainly we are using these only in the PostgreSQL. That's why I have explained up to here only. Okay. For number storing, we are using integer or a big int. For the text strings, for the text strings storing, we are using a text or varchar. And true or false statements, we are using a boolean. And the date times or birthday dates or months or years, at that time we are using a date and a timestamp. And if we store any JS1 objects, at that time we are using JS1 and JS1B. Okay. See, you have any doubt up to here? What categories we have to choose to install? Regarding what, Kiran? I didn't get you. Already yesterday I showed you PostgreSQL installation. There is any categories showing? Nothing, right? Already everything is clear on the installation part. What categories we have to choose to install? What categories means what categories? See, everybody has to raise the questions, otherwise you are not listening or you are not understanding. I need a questions from each and everybody. Then only I think you are understanding. Otherwise, you are not listening and you are not seeing. Again, you are installing. Okay. I'm going to share you the one more YouTube link. You can try it one more time. There is no issues, Kiran. See, up to now I have explained DB creation and schema creation and data types. You have any doubts in the three parts? Please let me know. I need response from three persons. Okay, I hope there is no doubt. So I'm going to show you how to create the table creation. See, there is a create table, users, ID, serial primary key. See, serial in the sense, in the database perspective, you no need to insert ID column every time. It will generate, and with primary key in the sense there is no not nulls was inserting, and there is a name is there, email. Kiran, you can mute it yourself. See, name in the sense that is a string type only. So just we are inserting a character strings, right? And there is a names called animal names or student names or any company names. At that time, just we need to take it as a text, and email also we can take it as a text. See, what is unique queue means? Unique queue means it won't insert duplicate values. Like there is no repeating emails. So that perspective, we can take it as a unique. Here, I have created like a CSC, ECE, triple public. Like I need under ECE schema. At that time, I need to take it here. Then see, now I have created a data. Now what we can do is we can check it here. There is a CSC is there. Under CSC we don't have any tables. Okay. After that, we have EC. Under EC tables, we have a users table was created. I have given schema name as a ECE. So I have created like this. Okay. And see, there is a triple E is there. In triple E also there is a no tables. Okay. So how you can view the table is select star from ECE or users. See here, this is the column names we kept it in a table that is called ID, name, email. See, this table was created here. Okay. Next concept is see here, uh, here. See, these are the columns. Whatever the columns is there, if we insert any data into here, So what we need to do is okay. See, one row was inserted. Now I'm going to show you this. See here. See, these are the columns. See, in the table creation only, whatever we are keeping here, ID, name, email, those are the columns. Whatever the data is there under the rows, those that is called rows. Okay. See, this is the example for row. In the PostgreSQL perspective, we will call it as a tuple, a single record in a table. Example, one user table row might store alias one, alias example. A field is nothing but a field describing the type of data stored in an example integer text date. Okay, already data types I have explained, and the schemas also I have explained. Now here SQL commands. See, in a PostgreSQL we have a DDL commands is there. DDL commands in the sense data definition language. Here there is a create. First one is a create, alter, drop, truncate is there. See, in the DDL commands in the sense there is a create statement under DDML, like four things will come. One is a create, another one is a alter, one more thing is a drop, and one more thing is a truncate. Create in the sense while we are creating a tables, create statement will come. Alter in the sense if you want to change any data type or column names at the time, we can use as a alter. If you want to remove the table at the time, you can use it as a drop. Truncate also same, without structure it will delete automatically. I'm going to show you one by one. See, the first command is a DDL. Under DDL, what is DDL means? DDL is nothing but data definition language. In the data definition language, what we can do is we can change the structures. Okay, we can change the structures. Create, make tables, make indexes, make schemas. Under create, what will come is we can create the tables, we can create the indexes, we can create the schemas in a PostgreSQL. Okay. You have any doubt up to here? Can you please raise it? Okay. All right. Now I'm going to show you this example. Under create, there is a see, there is a users is there. See, without we are not like without giving schema name, where it will go is now I'm going to show you. See, now I have created one more table as a users. This is a default schema under our database. Directly it will came to the public schema, so I'm not specifying the uh, schema name. That's why it was inserted here. Okay, see, this is the create statement, and one more is a create an index on users table. See, index is nothing but simply what is index is, see, in our table, in the like some company's data or some factory's data, there is a millions of records was stored in a database. At the time PostgreSQL DB speed will be decrease. At that time we need to create a index. See, index is nothing but it will speed up the our table. Okay, for that purpose only we can able to create the indexes. After creating a index, the table and the viewing purpose and querying purpose, we will retrieve the data within a seconds. Okay, like I will show you after that examples also, when we can see the index concept. This is for just DDML. There is a create purpose. I am showing this already. Schema creation already I have shown you. See, today we discussed about the database creation, table creation. What is the row, what is column, what is the data types, what is the schema, and what is a DDL. Okay, in the DDL I have showed you create statement only. There is a alter is there, drop is there, truncate is there. I will show you the next session. The session will end in that 2 minutes. You have any doubts?
Join Yajentio Training Academy today and take your first step toward becoming a skilled PostgreSQL Database Developer. Contact at Yajentio Training Academy. Check the description and contact at Yajentio Training Academy.